Hello, Northeast Georgia. This is David Kernall, owner and general manager of Bulldog Kia. As an essential business, we are operating normal business hours so that you have the ability to maintain your vehicle. I'm actually standing outside our service department next to our self-check-in kiosk, which is a great option for those that prefer limited contact or for those dropping their vehicle off after hours. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how easy it is to utilize the self-check-in kiosk. Step one, you're going to touch Vehicle Check-in. Do you have a service appointment? Now I will say we do not require a service appointment, so if you don't have one, clicking no is okay. In this case, I have an appointment. I'm going to click yes. 3 ways we can check you in: phone number, last name, or business lookup. I'm going to use last name. All right, here's me. Confirm your contact information. I prefer phone, so I'm going to click phone and then click confirm. Confirm vehicle information. I had to put in the correct miles. Ready to click next. This screen is letting you know that you have equity in your vehicle. If you click yes, your information is sent to our used car manager. They will contact you on your preferred method of contact and let you know what equity you have. So we provide a complimentary equity analysis in your vehicle, and you can decide what it is you want to do with that, keep your vehicle, or maybe you can even upgrade into a newer vehicle and keep your payment the same. In this case, I'm going to click no. This screen is confirming the services I requested when I made the appointment. If you clicked, you didn't have an appointment, you would be able to select what services you're requesting at this time. This is confirming what I requested, everything's good. I'm going to click next. This screen is making recommendations based on the mileage of my vehicle. I'm approaching 15,000 miles, so it'd probably be a good idea to do a 4-wheel alignment. So I'm going to add 4-wheel alignment. I'm going to click next. This screen is giving me the opportunity to add any services that haven't been selected or make any comments, or no thanks. I'm going to click no thanks. On this screen, simply indicate whether you're going to be dropping off your vehicle, waiting here, or we also have complimentary Uber service in the greater Athens area. Today, I'm just dropping off. This screen is confirming that everything is correct. Personal information, vehicle information, services requested, and a disclaimer. In the bottom, simply sign and click accept. And a little survey, did we answer all of your questions? Yes. Did the kiosk make the check-in process easier for you? It certainly did. Check your email now to verify you have received your receipt. And here we are, and there it is. Just like that. Click finish. And at the very last, be sure to drop off your key, and we're done. At the completion of your vehicle service, the technician will sanitize your vehicle, and the advisor will contact you to discuss pickup options. To schedule your next service, visit us online at bulldogkia.com or call the number on your screen. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at Bulldog Kia.